Hey, in front of me is VIVO Y17 and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Firstly, you can simply hold your search bar and then when you see this X at the top left corner of it, click on it. As you can see, after that my search bar is gone. All you need to do now is tap on Home button. You can also hold your device's screen instead. Then hold your search bar and click on the same icon as before. Then click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!